Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. So I'm talking about antivirus for Windows 11. So a lot of antivirus available in the markets, but which is used is very important. So actually, if you are using for normal data entry and normal internet bufferings and means your basic use is not required to antivirus. Actually, already have a antivirus is Windows Defender. So I will show you how Windows Defender. This is Windows. Sorry, this is Windows Security. So lot of options available in this Windows Defender. So actually, firewall also, account protections, virus and threat protections, app control, and family options. So uh, in this you can scan and allow to threads and a lot of issues. So quickly scan. So if you're using the basics your system, so normal YouTube or basics, so this is not required to antivirus. And second, it is quick kill is the best options for antivirus, and lot of options. So your PC tunnel and C drive scanning and your internet securities, your safe banking securities. Okay. And quick kill, but quick kill a lot of 5 to 6 type of, so you can use total security only in quick kill, total security. And Kaspersky Kaspersky internet security, it is good. And Bitdefender antivirus plus also is good, and antivirus pro, it is made by Germany. So this is actually okay. So I guide you keep using basic, so don't install if you lot of work in the internet and daily go up down and download install, and sometimes your system very slow. So also available in this options in quick kill total security PC tunnel. So you can click to delete all tabs, caches, and unwanted files, and your boot timing also fast, your system so fast. Okay, so you can try quick kill total security. So search on Google quick kill total security. Trial, it is one month free. Total security, internet security, antivirus pro. Okay, okay, so all in one total security, you just click it and then double click to launch. Okay,